we can't solve 'em. You made a really deep cut, and baby, now we got bad blood.
What is going on, guys? Justin OVO Update back again with another video, and today we have a huge OVO unboxing. We have a $3,000 box. This is 100% our most expensive unboxing on the channel, probably the biggest OVO unboxing on YouTube. We got OG owls, t-shirts, long sleeves, almost everything in here you could imagine. So here's the box, guys. It is absolutely humongous. Before we get into the unboxing, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Honestly, I'm pretty surprised the box made it here in one piece. It is huge, and oh my god, take a look. All this paper. This box is full of OVO. This is crazy. Let's get into every single item in here. You guys are gonna have to take a look at this. We gotta move the camera. Take a look at this OVO, guys. A lot of DS items, tons and tons of t-shirts, hoodies, hats, scarves. All right, so I'm gonna take everything out one at a time. Everything is either extra large or double XL and is gonna be available on the site tomorrow. If you're watching it on Saturday, Valentine's Day, February the 14th, everything in here is going to be a great steal price. If you guys have shopped on my site before, you know the prices on there are very well priced, and honestly you probably can't find better. So all this stuff is going to be available at 12 p.m. on Valentine's Day EST. And without further ado, man, let's get straight into this box. So we got a nice OVO hat beanie right here, brand new, still in the bag, tag on. And to match the beanie, we have the scarf as well. Hold on, there we go. Very nice. Out of all the colorways, the red one was definitely the cleanest. The yellow one and the blue one not so much. Here we got a OVO sound tee. This one is in a XL. Next up, we got a 2XL in the green long sleeved Owl Family t-shirt. If you guys don't know, the graphic on the back of this one is super sick. I have that one in black. We got a red crew neck with the Chanel crest on the front. Very nice. Again, brand new as well in a double XL. Let's get into some more of the hoodies, man. We got the white one. This one's very nice. I know retail on this was pretty expensive, so that's gonna be going up at a steal. We got the NASCAR t-shirt. That's what I like to call it, with all the logos on the back. We got it in black right here, 2XL. A lot of this stuff is a lot of t-shirts and hoodies from last year, so if you missed out on any of the t-shirts from last year, now's your chance to grab one. We got the race car tee in red, we have it in white, and we even have the family t-shirt, the long sleeve, in the black colorway as well. This is the one that I actually have myself, and this one's actually my personal favorite of the set. I know you guys like the diamond collection, so we got the diamond tee in white, brand new in a 2XL. If you're an XL or double XL, you know your size is very expensive because those sell out the first all the time. So guys, Grail items coming up on the site Valentine's Day. Let's keep it rolling. We got the 6 Owl long sleeve. I know you guys love these as well. We have it in white and we have it in black as well. Both colorways, both brand new, double XL. This one actually did drop yesterday, the Heritage crew neck. We got that in black as well. This is going to be under retail. We got the Tokyo t-shirt. We got the OG Owl hoodie. I know a lot of you guys love this. Again, this one's going to be going up for under retail for sure. We got the Owl Gaze hoodie, very nice. We always got to keep the feet fresh. We got some socks, CLB, and a set of Nocta. Of course, we got the classics as well, under retail. The Collegiate, can't go wrong with this one right here. We got the other Tokyo t-shirt, the white colorway, very nice. We got the So Far Gone merch. This is the hoodie right here. Love the screen print on this. It's very nice and high quality. So if you did miss out on this, I think 2 summers ago, I definitely recommend grabbing it now. Here's more of the snakeskin collection. We have the OVO runner with the red snakeskin as well as the OG owl. More Collegiate in the white colorway, but this one has the gold and black ribbing trim on it. Right here is the other diamond t-shirt, the black colorway. Another OVO runner long sleeve, the white NASCAR t-shirt, as well as the OG Flame t-shirt. This graphic is really fire. All right guys, and last but not least, we have this huge jacket. Let me take it out for you guys. Retail on this was like $220, sold out fairly quickly in an extra large. Super clean. Honestly, feeling the quality in hand in person is really good. All right guys, so the box is now empty. I knew we flew by that pretty quickly, but I want to show you guys everything that's going to be dropping on Valentine's Day at 12 p.m. So So definitely stay posted to our Instagrams for all the information, pricing, and all that good stuff. So I appreciate you guys watching today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.